Hello guys, God bless you everyone. Today we're gonna be doing some maintenance on our cars. I'm here with Manny, and today is not gonna be a fancy video, but since we don't got much to do, we're gonna do a vlog. Let's bring you along. Let's go. So we're back in the garage, and I know some people have been asking me about the B14. B14 is still here for the new ones in the channel. This one is an SR20 DET. Turbo is actually right there. Not much going on with this car, but this engine is going to come out very soon, so stay tuned for that. We still have a mess in the garage we're going to clean up today. That's the old Eclipse head, and I have a huge mess all over this wall, so today I'm going to be cleaning that. Besides that, Manny is here today. I went ahead and I put a new air filter right here for him. We're gonna put a strobe bar, which I have it on the wall hanging over there. It's actually right there. And here we have Manny doing a quick fuel pump swap. There is. We did a tutorial on this one, so I'm gonna put that on the link just in case you guys wanna check it out. So we still need an exhaust for this car. The B13 is over here. I might hump in a couple things because I want to make it to the track on the next month. Do a couple things. I have the Camry over there. I don't think I'm going to do much with that, but like I said, today it's nothing fancy. It's going to be a chill video, trying to do small things here and there. So just want to bring you guys along, and hopefully you guys can learn something. Any words, Manny?
No words so far.
Excellent. So what are we going to do here? New fuel pump?
Yes. I think there's an OEM fuel pump in there. My old assembly broke, if you guys didn't know, and I ended up buying this one off eBay used, but I don't know what's exactly inside. I'm believing it's an OEM one, so I'm just gonna swap it with a brand new one somewhere in the trunk.
Gotcha.
It's 255 LPH fuel pump, and yeah, we're gonna send it.
Sounds good. So we'll show you very shortly. Let's go. All right, so here we have the strobe bar for the Eclipse. I'm gonna mount that real quick. If you guys saw the video of the Camry, I'll show you how to do it. So long story short, you need to actually, with the car on the ground, lose all these three and lose the other one over there as well. Put them, tie them, that should be it. So you guys will see that in a second. And boom, yeah, just like that. 6 nuts later, and we have our strobe bar back. It's looking nice. Over here we have Manny dealing with still with the fuel pump, trying to take out the assembly. We'll show you that when we're done. So let's go. So we got ahead and we got the fuel pump out. It does says trucks and auto part SAP. I don't know if it's an OEM one or not, but long story short, we got our Walbro 255 in. I think it's a Walbro anyway. So my bad, it's a Quantum 255. So that one is in. What we did, we reused the old strainer, but since the strainer was too long, we just like cut it a little bit over here to make it fit, and now it's back. So years ago we did this, got it in and make it work that way. We're trying to do it as OEM as possible, so now we got it back and we're gonna put it back in the car, and it should be nice. It shouldn't be as bad. And of course, the tip of the day is to make sure you have your tank with low fuel.
Yeah, this thing is gonna be a while, because getting this stupid seal in takes a while, but yeah.
So something that we can do, you can actually remove the ring with a screwdriver and a hammer, but
I made a mistake.
This time we got the right tool to actually open it up. So this unlock in place just like that. You move it, made it work. So we show you a little bit when we install it back. All right, let's go. So right now we have the fuel pump already on, and we are adjusting the tool to actually screw down the plastic lid or whatever you call it.
Yeah, so basically this tool has the grooves right here, and then you adjust your the width. Make sure you know they're on tight, and then you just tighten this here basically with, you know, like whatever you can find, like I guess to tighten it. And then it actually comes with a socket, and just put it in there and just tighten it. You see, it just spins. Be very careful, because in my old one I ended up breaking this, and yeah, that was basically it for me. Once that's broken, you can't really do anything. So yeah, this tool is very helpful. I don't suggest using a hammer and a screwdriver, because you will break something. Damn.
We have done in the past, you know, it does the job, but it's not the right thing to do it, the right way to do it.
Yeah, you know, the tool is not even expensive. I bought it at Amazon for like 15 bucks. So yeah, you see, makes the job easier. Trying to avoid that.
Yeah, just put it on the grooves and then just spin it.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
All right, and just like that, that's how you actually use the tool, and it should be done very soon. So we set up the car in a little bit. Let's go. So we went ahead and finished that and set up the car, and obviously the car is floating right now. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and install the fuel pressure regulator. So that one is where the OEM used to be. Here is a OEM Evo fuel pressure regulator, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually install the aftermarket one. So here we have a brand new one that we're gonna be installing, and this one is the one that Manny is gonna donate for the Sentra to do it. And yeah, so right now here we are putting some Teflon on the gauge, so we can actually make sure that it's no leaks. We went with the water filled K-tune for now, because we're trying to make it look the best as possible.
Yeah, don't even ask why I got K-tune. It's just I wanted the color.
So yeah,
that's
anyway,
all.
No Honda boys here, but yeah. So that one's gonna go there. We're gonna Teflon all the lines. We're trying to do something different this time, and I think you guys gonna like it. So I'll show you in a second. All right. So we went ahead and put the fuel adapter, and we got here a 90 that we're gonna be using, and obviously the fuel pressure regulator will be around this area. So let me show you how it should look. So we have the fuel pressure here, and what we're trying to go is for a style that's gonna be just like that around this area. So right now I'm getting ready to type everything, and then after that we should just do the return, which would be right here. So yeah, it's looking nice if you ask my opinion. And boom, yeah, just like that we have that done. You guys can see it right there, and it's actually mounted with the bracket, you know, so it's It's actually mounted from the same rail. So it is there, and we have the pressure here, and we have the return here. That goes right here. So we have the vacuum there, and it has the K-tune gauge, and man, it looks nice. So yeah, it's hidden there. It's not like before that was over here. It looks nice, it looks clean, it looks neat. And yeah, that's it. Right now we are going to change the throttle body gasket. We're gonna do that probably meanwhile Manny does that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of work on the Sentra. And yeah, this video is all over the place, but hey, it's just another day in the shop, just doing small things. We clean up a little, haven't do much, but over here we clean up a little and trying to organize all this over here later on today. And yeah, just another day, you know, nothing going crazy. It's almost first week of April, and we're trying to get ready. You know, I want to go to the racetrack on the Sentra, and hopefully that will be coming soon. So I hope it goes well. So anyway, you guys will see it whenever it happens. Any words, Manny?
No words yet.
Well, sounds good. But yeah, let me know down the comments below what you guys think about that there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start up the car to make sure that everything looks good. Is a leak somewhere?
No, fuel's too low.
Fuel's low?
Yeah, I gotta
Bring it up?
Yeah.
How low it was?
10
PSI? That makes sense.
All right, start.
Let's go again?
Yeah,
All right, let's find out what's going on and we'll let you know.
8:01 p.m.
All right, so finally we got the car started. We got an issue with the pump and we have to pull it out again, and we have to install the stock fuel pump back. So right now, I mean, you guys can see it's laid already. I didn't even get to work on the Sentra, but we managed to actually get the car running. We're gonna have to work with the fuel pump another day, but we got our solid 45 PSI there, and the car is actually on. Now it's time to clean up. But yeah, that's the review for this video. So yeah, guys, there you guys have it. I appreciate all of you being with us on this random day, just working with our cars. Again, we did nothing interesting, just random side jobs and stuff like that. Manny, you have anything you want to say to the guys?
Not really, but stay OEM.
So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. God bless you all, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.